Yes, my people. Yeah, man, me have to talk about these evil police we have in Jamaica. Yeah. I have to talk about them, because them too wicked. And if anyone want to stand up and say, boy, no, we have some good police in Jamaica. Yeah, you might have one of them or two of them. Majority of them police are wicked. When I say wicked, I mean wicked. And which first world country, a civilized country, a policeman can do some murder, grown as a murder people. I quite sure say, even you see the police in go in America, make them murder somebody. And you see something. And yeah, police in Jamaica will murder how much people. And guess what they get? Famous. Murder people, no? Them always at the right spot for murder somebody. Them always just there at the right spot. Other police not get for murder, none of them just murder all our people them. And then get famous. And a long time I talk about them thing. I mean not on this kind of platform. But how comes DJ thing built pan like gangster type of people? Ninja Man and Bounty and all of these DJ, most of them is like gangster type of people. And then them have a show with them called Sting. You hear any name? Sting. Because the man who run it used to do a sting people. And guess what? All like bad man them go up on the show down. But I'm not going to talk about that. But as I say, they get famous after they shoot up on a whole lot of people. So guess what? Most of the young police them don't want to get famous. Just like anything else. If you go on a football, you want to get famous like somebody before you. Basketball, you want to get famous like the person before you. Or the legend. So, them coming to Jamaica, Jamaican police, them want to get famous like these people. You can't just go around and murder people, so. You murder people pitney. I mean, you don't want nobody murder your pitney. Most of all I want to have pitney. And no cherish for no one, no come home and no cherish for no one. But no go in a ghetto and no murder people pitney like people that love them pitney. I guess I'm the only one who feel like say, boy, yo, you know how long it take for raise a child? You raise them from baby. You send them go infant school. Then you send them go primary school. Then high school. All this stuff you go through. Not to mention if you send them go daycare before. All this money you spend and somebody just come and murder him. You look like people just need to hold them picnic from the young and just say, see me officer, but just murder him from now. Can't just drive around every day looking for somebody for murder. How you feel? You don't feel wicked? You feel good about yourself? But you better know say yo on a murder. I guess on a murder I don't know, you want to murder him for the country? But if you are murder for the country, just remember one thing. The country now have a conscience. The state now have a conscience. The government now have a conscience. But you have a conscience. And you have to answer to God. Because you just pick up a man from out of the town. You go in the yard, go search. And then you go find him in the town. And you came back and yard and kill him around his mother. How wicked is that? How wicked is that? And for all our people who feel say police are good people. You don't really feel so. As long as you've been living, you feel say police are good. Yes, me know say yeah, I find one and two good one in everything. But you see the good one them for stand up and speak out and say, yo, you know what? Me now angry with you for them things I do know. And yes, them are frame people and put people in a prison for a long time. You know much innocent people in a prison right now. I could have been one of them. And as I said in one of my videos before, I go talk about it one day. I go talk about it one day. I don't know how to believe this. So, then we have a government now we just seem like they not care. Until one of them police are kill off one of them pitney. Then I guess some changes we make. I guess that's the only way some changes are gonna make. But guess what? People been praying for a long time. And one day God will answer our prayer. You see how long black people in America pray. And it take them for need, it take one wicked police to kneel long now in a George Floyd neck for changes. You know how much people they murder? You know how much people they murder? And it take this one to make changes. But that's what I say, the Prime Minister sit back and him not do nothing. Him not do nothing. I guarantee you watch that video right there. And him say that is so wicked. But at the same time, you not look on your officers them down here. But that's what I always say, man. It is wicked. Just wicked. For you have your son and watch police just murder them in front of you. It just, that's somewhere, you know. I mean, everybody will have a child, just look into it. I mean, if him do something, can't go to jail, man. Let the judge him deal with him. You know, murder people like that, man. But that's what I said, people. You know, God bless. And God bless Jamaica. I want to subscribe, you know. I just want to subscribe because you see everything when I see me I talk about. Just subscribe. I don't do this with no money. I don't want no money. I just want people for hear. Because enough thing me see and enough thing me go through. And every single thing when me go through. I put it on this. Because I don't want another person go through it. So all them people believe in the police. You can't keep on believing in the police. You hear the woman say, you come at her doorstep. Now she believe. She don't believe long time, man. Other people not tell lie. But yeah, man, subscribe, people. Whole heap of things, man. I have my story for to tell, man. When I go through with police, man. Whole heap of them. So, bless.